My trampoline was over there. The wind last night blew it over here and wrecked it. Holes everywhere. This one took out all of my shade cloth for my rabbits too. But you know what didn't get wrecked? Cover. That's a pull cover over my rabbits. Nails are shredded. Pull cover made it. That's thick. $27 Amazon. So Brandon and I just stepped outside, and the trampoline, which was on the other side, came barreling at us, and it fucking hit him and almost got me. That was scary. Ugh, and it's ripped now. But he's okay. That was just really scary. And then the thing that I had over the rabbits got fucking blown over. It snapped. That's been broken. It's garbage now. This did rip, but barely. It's still a good use of plastic, but god dang, that was fucking terrifying. Well, the wind has died down, so we are going to move the trampoline back where it belongs, over that way, in time lapse.
Yes, you're back to me. Awesome.